What's up guys? Nagbabalik tayo guys. Aaron Caraldi guys. So, ngayon pauwi na tayo guys. So, naglalakad na lang tayo guys. So guys, mainit dito guys. Pero hindi gaano kainit. Sakto lang. So, ayan guys. Tatawid tayo yan guys. Yan yung train guys. Train. Mahaba pala yung train guys. So guys, tatawid na tayo guys. So ngayon guys, tatawid na tayo guys. Ayan guys, tayo na tayo. Ito po guys, papunta na sa amin ito guys. Siguro kung lalakarin 20 minutes papunta sa trabaho ng mama ko. Ayan guys, mga tao guys. Yan yung school bus nila guys. Gaya ng school bus atin guys sa Pinas. So ay hindi pa nakaka-subscribe sa aking YouTube channel guys. So paki-subscribe na lang guys para lagi kayong updated sa video ko guys. Sa vlog guys. Sa vlog. So guys, yan pala yung dental guys. 82 dental. Chuck change. Quick stop. Katabi pala niyan guys. Bit sa 73 guys. Yan yung number guys. 473-7373. Hot, fresh and fresh. Yan guys. Straton psychology guys. So, yung sasakyan nito guys. Maraming sasakyan nito guys. Diyan yung bus stop guys. Diyan kayo pupunta guys kung sasakay kayo guys. At yung nakalakay dyan guys na bus, may number dyan guys. I-send nyo lang sa 31100. May oras yung nakalakay guys kung anong oras siya darating guys. So ito pa guys. So mas no guys. So yung bahay guys. Yung bus guys. Papunta yung buni dun. So malaking sasakyan guys. So pa guys. So yan yung simbahan guys. Yan yung simbahan guys. Yan guys. So, kung sino pong nasa Canada, for sale po ito guys. Ito guys. Senior 21, ano Padamati guys. Ito po yung contact number niya guys. So yan guys. For sale yan guys. 7928 guys. Kung gusto nyo bumili guys, contact nyo lang yun. Malaking puno guys, puno. Oh. Meron pa guys, malaking puno guys. Christmas tree guys. Totoo yan guys. Yan yung playground guys ng mga bata dito guys. So ayan guys, malapit na tayo guys. Siguro mga 10 minutes or 15 minutes nasa bahay tayo guys. So pwede din papunta dyan guys. So, pumunta na tayo guys. Ito pala yung para sa mga matatanda guys, na yung mga anak nila busy sa trabaho dito nilalagay guys. So, better senior citizen residence guys. So, safe, affordable, well maintained. So, contact number guys. Bawat kanto guys, may basurahan guys. May multa din dito guys. Maaari stock. May babayaran ng ticket guys kapag overspeeding ka guys. At basta ka na lang magpapanda ng sasakyan nang hindi tumitingin sa daan guys, may pulis na bibigyan kang ticket guys. So, mga bahay dito guys. So, malapit na tayo guys. 10 minutes na lang guys. So, may bus stop din dito guys. Kahit saan guys, may bus stop guys. So, may bus stop guys. So, yan, huminto na yung bus guys. So, ito guys. Para may idea kayo kung anong bayang gusto nyo ipadesign guys. So, para lagi kayong updated guys, please subscribe my YouTube channel, Aaron Caraldi guys. So, subscribe guys. Meron pang puno dito guys. Yan naman guys. Oh. Guys, napakalinis guys. Kapag malamig na dito guys, kailangan yung mag-shovel guys. So ayan guys, wala na yung ice guys. 7536 guys. Ito din guys, 7532 guys. 7532. So, malapit na tayo guys. Tatawid tayo dyan guys. Dyan guys. Kita nyo yung number nyo guys. Dyan guys, may number dyan guys. Dyan nyo i-text guys. May lalabas yan guys. Kung anong oras guys. So, meron palang pizza dito guys. Papa John's guys. So, sa next vlog natin guys, mag-vlog tayo sa West Edmonton Mall dito guys. Abangan nyo lang guys. Ito pala guys, yung convenience store nila dito guys. Convenience store. Veterinary clinic. Isa na guys, sabunan ako guys. May sasakyan pa dito guys. Fornatic. Ito pala guys, yung Papa John's Pizza guys. Papa John's Pizza. Mga Indian ang tatrapaho dyan guys. So guys, tatawid na tayo guys. May parking para dito guys. So yun guys. Ay, tawid na tayo guys. Yun na guys. Ayan guys. Yan yung signal kapag tatawid na tayo guys. So, dyan yung McDonald's guys. May liquor shop din dito guys. Liquor shop. May mga police din dito guys, kaso lang guys, hindi nyo malalaman na police na guys. Yung bus na yan guys, pupunta yung downtown guys. Katapos ito, tatawid na tayo guys. So ayan guys, tatawid na tayo guys. So ayan guys. Yan yung liquor shop guys. So dito pala yung sidewalk guys. Huwag ka pupunta dito guys, kasi para hindi ka ma-discuss. Dapat dito ka lang guys, para safe guys. So ayan guys, yung cheesy jalapeno bacon guys. Watermelon lime fruit guys. So ayan yung drive-thru guys. So ayan guys, malapit na tayo guys. 5 minutes na lang guys. So, ayan ba guys. So, ayan guys. Konti na lang tayo guys. Malapit na tayo sa bahay guys. So ayan guys. Malapit na tayo guys. So mga basurahan dito guys. Yung basurahan namin guys, 4 sana guys. So nawawala yung isa guys. So yung pagkuha dito ng basurahan guys, by color guys. Minsan green lang yung kukunin, minsan black, minsan green black guys. So nandito na tayo sa likod, no. Tinitirhan ko guys. So ito yung sasakyan ng tenant ng stepfather ko guys. So yung tells ko monitor system guys. So guys, dito na magtatapos ang vlog natin guys. Ayan kami nakatira guys. So sa hindi pa nakasubscribe sa aking YouTube channel, please subscribe and I'll see ya. Have a wonderful day and have a great day. Thank you for watching. See you for the next vlog. And currently guys, don't forget to click the notification bell all para updated kayo guys. See ya.